Guys, we're down in Gage's room because we're getting ready to make it a little nicer in here. Yeah. So the first thing we need to do is clean really well and organize and get rid of stuff that we don't need. We're planning on right now going to buy some baskets just to help Gage stay a little more organized. So we're gonna look at his situation and what's going on, and then we'll decide before we leave. Always a smart thing to know what size of baskets you need, where you're gonna put them, how many you need before you go and buy baskets, right? Yeah. Not something that I normally do. But normally I just like buy them and hope for the best. But we're gonna be responsible. So we know we want to create like a nice relaxing workspace under here, under Gage's bed, where his desk is. Right now it's just a little messy and he has like stuff out that could be really distracting. Yeah. That's the biggest thing. I mean, I think that when you are learning online, it's easy to get distracted anyways.
It's like kind of boring.
Yeah, and it's just easy to be like, oh. So anything that Gage likes to have out, I just want to find a basket for so that it can be at least put away. So you're not like, my snowboarding things. And then you start thinking about snowboarding and then you forget that you're supposed to be thinking about math. Yeah. So that's what we're planning on doing. I also think that we should get some type of like a light. Something under here.
LED light.
So, yeah, some type of light situation under there. We're washing his bedding right now. So we'll get that. And then he also has a lot of pictures that he likes to display. So I was thinking that we could get a shelf to go either like right here, under here, or I did this at Christmas time. And we could get maybe a shelf to go under here to put pictures on. We could get some frames to go right here. Whatever pictures you want, you need to set out so we know what size frames. Okay. Hi. Hi. Brailee's down here for support.
I forgot to give you your birthday present. Your Christmas present.
What is it? His closet is so big. So that's another area that we really need to organize. He does have a dresser in here, but we need to get some type of baskets to go through here. And some baskets for like shoes and things because it just looks kind of messy. I think that we could probably move everything that's in there into shelves or into baskets like over here and then like hang up this stuff. It's so funny how big your closet is and like how much of it you don't use.
Yeah.
What'd you say?
I feel like when I got like all my stuff in it, like there's this one time when I was like organizing my closet, like kind of organizing it, and I like put like as much stuff as I could fit in there. And I looked at my room, it was like super empty. I was like, huh. Yeah. So these are the pictures. Okay.
Well, that's cute of you and Grandpa.
Yeah.
So we could put some of those on the wall and then get a shelf or something to go. So you can just like change them out really easily if you want.
Thing, but maybe not, but like I have like a hat collection that I like to put like right there maybe.
Oh yeah. I have like, you could get like hooks. Yeah. And then you can just hang them. Yeah. Or we could get a basket to put in your closet and then you can just put them in the basket. Yeah. We could get a hook so you could display like a couple of your favorite that you're wearing. Yeah. And then put the rest in baskets so you don't have hats.
If I want like different ones, I could just like switch them.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, let's do that. That's a good idea. Okie doke. Alright. Let's go get some stuff.
See you at the store.
We decided to come to Walmart first because I thought that maybe I looked online and it seemed like they had a lot of bigger baskets, but not looking like there's many here. We thought maybe about totes, so we're just kind of looking around. Yeah. Walmart first, and then also I think we're gonna get small pumpkins to carve tonight, just small ones, just for the fun. So yeah, so that's what we're doing right now, just looking around Walmart to see if we can find some baskets here. If not, I might go to TJ Maxx just because I think like for like really big baskets like what we're wanting for the closet, I think that it would be nice that, well, I think that we'll have better luck there. Yeah. Also, it's so weird to wear a mask because we've been quarantined for a while because of Brailee like waiting to see. And so it's been so long that it feels weird again. Yeah. I kind of forgot. I was like, oh yeah, we have to wear a mask. Why did I waste my time getting ready? I don't know. I shouldn't have.
Hey guys, we just got done out of Walmart and we found some totes for my closet and we also found some for like my big bags that like I take traveling.
They're like really big tubs, which is awesome. They were only
like
$5.
Circles and they're pretty cool.
Yeah.
And then we found some pumpkin carvers.
And we found some pumpkin rolls.
And pumpkin rolls, yeah. And now we're on our way to Hobby Lobby, see if they have any baskets for like my desk area and stuff, so.
So that was good. That was good so far.
Yeah.
Where were we when we found that stuff? We were just by like the tote.
Yeah, we were
so the totes that we found for our Gage's closet so far are, I think, made for shoes.
Yeah.
But you can also put other things in there. So we ended up getting 4 of those. And I think they'll be great because even if he decided to stack his jeans, then we could stack them in there and it would be really easy for him to see all of them.
Oh, it's my goat style.
We're trying to decide if we vlogged in Hobby Lobby and we don't think so. But we found some baskets.
Found a lot of baskets.
We lucked out because if you go to Hobby Lobby, you know that it's hard to find the same baskets.
Yeah.
So we found 2 of each set, like 2 of each size and style that Gage liked. So that will be perfect for his desk. And then we found 2 bigger, they aren't really big, but
they're
2
like medium size
for the closet.
Then we found what's that board called?
Oh, he decided to do a cork board.
Cork board.
And then he'll just print off a monthly calendar.
And then I'll like.
And then he can also put pictures. So they'll be by your desk. Oh, and I'm so excited to show you what he decided to do with his pencils and crayons and markers and things. Because it's so cute. That might be my favorite thing of the day.
Yeah.
It was so cute. And I found a candle that I've been wanting that's been sold out. I'm going to show you guys. It smells
an awesome candle.
So good. And it sounds like the wind is blowing.
And the river's like
running. The river's like running.
It like sounds like it. It's so cool.
Yeah, it's
like
so cool.
Honestly, like I'd light that candle before I went to bed.
Oh yeah.
And I just
don't do that.
Yeah, it's a bad idea.
That's dangerous. But it smells so good and it's just such a cool candle and it's been sold out. Yeah. Okay, I think we at least have a start. What's happening?
I get Instagram.
Brailee gets Instagram, but I was just cracking up. We were just talking about it. What are the rules?
Here's the rules. I have not let my kids have social media by any means possible. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. Bray decided to try it a couple of years ago. Rogue. She went rogue. She got in big trouble.
We need to talk about that one day. That was a day.
Well, I was on a hunt and I just got a call that was screaming women. Anyway, I mean, I think social media is cool. I think it's important. Obviously, that's how we run our businesses. At the same time, I don't think every kid needs it. Every teenager needs it because it can be like, I don't know, be hurtful, I think.
Yeah, for sure.
I can't imagine having social media when I was in high school. So anyway, Brailee turned 16, and that was one of her requests for her birthday. Which I guess that's how it works now. You get requests when you turn a certain age.
There was a list.
Yeah.
There was a list.
Well, let's take to the refrigerator.
Guys, guess what? I had school in today.
That was awesome.
How did it go?
Good.
Good. I've finally come to a point where I'm just like, yeah, you can have social media, Instagram. Which I'm a super protective dad. I'm very, especially with Brailee. She's my oldest, she's my daughter. It might suck for her, but at the same time I want to protect her.
Sweet dad moments.
You can have Instagram. We'll start there. 2 rules. You can have Instagram, but mom and dad will have your login information where I can be on my phone and get on your Instagram and look at what's going on. And 2, if something like you make a mistake or you do something that's, you know you break the rules, like curfew or whatever it might be, I get to run your Instagram for 5 days. So if something happens, if you don't get home on curfew, guess what? Casey Levere is going to run Brailee Case.
And we all know how that's gonna go.
Are you good with that?
That was so
Is
funny.
Brailee_case a good username?
Yeah.
Because Brailee.case is taken, Brailee Case is taken. So thanks a lot to all you fan accounts for taking all the usernames I can use.
Should you just get your first, what's your name?
Brailee_case.
Oh my gosh! So if you're following another Brailee case, it's not Brailee. It's not actually Brailee. Oh, does someone have it?
What the heck? Oh wait, that worked.
So your account is Brailee_case.
Yeah.
So exciting. I felt like Brailee should have Instagram for a while, but at the same time, it's kind of been nice to not have that to worry about. You worry about like what people are gonna leave in the comments, worry about people leaving weird DMs. I know the DMs I get.
Can I get a phone?
And then also just like your self-worth being wrapped up in it. We didn't grow up with that, which I think was good. And
Yeah,
so it's easier, I feel like it's easier to disconnect. Like,
And people always ask, like, tell me, like, dude, that's what you do for a living, like social media. I'm like, yeah, I know, that's what I do for a living. I want to keep my kids away from it, to be honest, like, a lot of the time.
yeah,
But I get it, like, it's
Right.
just what it is now.
Yeah.
It's like when Facebook came out, which was not too long ago, but
And guess what are you doing up there?
I didn't have any social media when we started YouTube. I didn't even have Facebook.
I had
Zero.
Facebook.
So really, social media has always been kind of a job
Yeah.
for me. But I do think like your self-worth can get wrapped up in your followers and your likes and different things like that. And that's what,
Hey guys, could
I
you
worry
hit
about.
the bell, please?
yeah, could you hit the bell please?
And subscribe.
And subscribe.
All right, what's your username?
Brailee_case. I
Oh my
just
gosh.
followed you guys.
Oh my gosh. Who was your very first person to follow?
You.
It was me?
Yeah.
Okay, password.
Gage randomly
It's,
on
oh wait, I can't say